One of customer asked about Xylon material used in Yamaha products. I asked manager of Yamaha company to explain it sense of use this material to audio products. Please, sir.
Yeah, Xylon is a material. It's a very it's a structure material, and the material is a little bit like carbon fiber. Yeah, it's a structure fiber material, and this material is also used at weather balloons. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Very light.
Yeah.
And very strong. Yeah, and the special thing is behind using Xylon for driver material is we use Xylon for each driver. Yeah, from tweeter, mid-range, and also the woofer. All drivers
means characters of sounding will be the same.
Yes,
yeah.
That's very natural. And the ways, from the bass range to the mid range and the high range, it's very natural and very harmonic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other brands use, I don't know, Titan for the tweeter, and Paper for the mid range, and a Kevlar for the woofer. And these different materials have different characteristics.
Different kind of sound.
Yes,
yeah.
And we use the same material for each driver. And the complicated thing is to bring this material in a very small dome tweeter.
Very small, it's 1 inch maybe.
Yeah, 3 centimeter. Yeah. And we have also in our NS5000, our flagship speaker, we have an 8 centimeter dome tweeter, dome mid-range. Yes.
8 centimeter.
Yes,
Whoa.
dome.
Yeah, I see it.
That's one of the biggest dome mid-range driver on the market.
3 inches.
Yeah, and for this small tweeter and for the small mid-range driver, it's not so complicated to use this material. But for the big woofer, yeah, a woofer have a much different. The material needs to be very strong and a little bit heavy, and it needs more weight. And therefore, we use how to say in English. Oh, sorry. Harz, you know it from the trees. It comes outside, and to use it as glue. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and this is the complicated background. Use Xylon for each driver. Yeah, Xylon. The characteristic of Xylon is very close to beryllium, especially in the high range.
Oh, yeah.
And therefore, in the past, in the 70s, we use also beryllium at NS1000 as an example. Beryllium for tweeter and mid-range, and Xylon have a lot of things, characteristic things from beryllium, but also very positive characteristics from paper, from the damping and so on. And therefore, it's a very good material to use it for each driver. Yeah. Also here in the NS3000, we have the woofer and the tweeter from the same material. And in our new speakers, the NS2000 and NS800. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. NS2000 and NS800, we use a compound material. Xylon and the wood in English, Fichte, the tree you have at Christmas.
Christmas tree.
This wood. Yeah, and this is a mixed material. Xylon and this wood material.
Pine tree.
Yes, thank you. Xylon and this pine tree, and also for each driver. Yeah, we have it here in the front, also for tweeter, dome, mid-range driver, and woofer. And it's very harmonic.
I'm so light mid-range dome. It's perfect. It's light.
Yes.
And indeed, you say Xylon is better than beryllium.
No, not really better, but it's a good mix of the characteristics and the positive parts of beryllium, but without the negative parts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, beryllium is very hard. Yeah, very like titan, but much more.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can't use it for woofer.
Yeah.
Yeah, only for small driver.
Right.
Yeah, and therefore this is the negative point of beryllium, and therefore Xylon is the best way for us, a material to use for each driver, to get this perfect harmonic.
This reason to use it first.
Yeah.
Many people like beryllium and they remember beryllium tweeters from Yamaha first, and that's why they ask me. Indeed, this is better. But your point, I understand, is that each driver is use the same material, means the same sounding, character of sounding.
Yes.
It's very important for sound for audio. Sir, thank you very much. It's incredible.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.